Nothing's worse than finishing a camera install only to redo it half a year later because the system can't scale, the hardware failed, and the customer outgrew it. The security industry is changing so fast, and if your installs aren't built with the future in mind, you're gonna end up wasting time, money, and truck rolls fixing future problems. Today we're talking about some simple ways to future-proof your security installs so they last longer, scale better, and make your life easier down the road. I'm Matt from Nelly Security, and on this channel we equip security pros like yourselves with the knowledge and resources needed to sell and install top-grade security equipment. Subscribe if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of. Okay, let's get started. First off, if you're still installing analog systems today, you might want to start moving towards IP systems, and I'll explain why. IP security systems are just way more scalable and flexible long term. You get higher resolutions, AI-powered smart detection, and way more upgrade potential compared to older analog systems. The analog world has really hit its ceiling a long time ago. Now, that doesn't mean analog systems are completely dead. There still are some scenarios where analog kind of makes sense. Say you're wanting to do a security install completely off-grid, but if you're thinking long-term, IP gives you a much better foundation for future expansion and upgrades. Not to mention, installing IP systems are just way more easier because all you need is one cable and Ethernet Cat5e cable to get power and network connectivity. And for IP systems, all the smart analytics happens on the camera end and not just the recorder end like analog systems. Okay, next way to future-proof your system, get a bigger NVR than you need. This is probably one of the biggest mistakes installers make. If a customer needs 8 cameras, don't just get them an 8-channel recorder. Get a 16-channel recorder. Customers are always needing more cameras later on. Maybe they're gonna want parking lot coverage. Maybe they add another entrance. Maybe they realize they forgot an area after an incident happens. Leaving room for expansion and getting a bigger NVR, this is gonna leave you room for scalability. Here's a super simple pro tip to make installs easier to service later on. Use junction boxes. Not only do they make installs look cleaner and more professional, but they also make troubleshooting way easier. Junction boxes are essential because they provide weatherproof, vandal-resistant housing that organizes cables for a professional look while offering easy maintenance access and improved mounting flexibility. This will save you a ton of time. Another great way to future-proof your installs is by having the customer share their system with you via the cloud. That way, if something ever goes wrong, you don't have to drive out on site, but you can just remote into the system as long as the recorder has network connection. This will save a ton of time for both you and your customer. Hey, real quick, if you're a security installer, dealer, or integrator looking for help to grow your security business, take yourself to the next level, we here at Nelly Security would like to partner with you. You can sign up to join our 100% free to join dealer program for awesome perks like free standard branding on all the blank products you purchase from us, special pricing, referrals, lifetime tech support, and a growing library of downloadable marketing assets. I'll put a link in the description down below to the dealer sign up page. Become a dealer today. We'd love to have you. Next tip, keep the NVR on DHCP. This is a huge one. A lot of installers set their NVR to a static IP, and everything works fine until the customer changes their internet provider. Keeping the NVR on DHCP helps avoid a lot of those headaches. Now, if you still want your NVR to have the same IP address locally, another option is learning how to use MAC reservations in the router. This lets the router always hand the same IP address out to the recorder while still keeping DHCP enabled. It's a great middle ground and can save you a lot of problems later if the customer ever changes routers or internet providers. Another huge part of future-proofing is simply using reliable equipment. A lot of cheap Amazon camera systems might look good because of the price, but cheap hardware can become expensive really fast when it starts failing, losing support, or causing issues later on. Good firmware, on-VIF compatibility, and reliable tech support all matter long-term. A cheap system isn't actually cheap if you're replacing it in 1 or 2 years. Okay, let's talk about proper waterproofing. This hack will save you a lot of time and money. While proper waterproof connectors and sealing are always the standard, a simple extra step for future-proofing is adding a secondary layer of protection using electrical tape. Even if a connection is already waterproofed, wrapping that section with a few layers of electrical tape can act as a backup barrier. In rare cases, weatherproof sealing can fail due to improper installation or even a factory defect, and this gives you a quick, inexpensive second line of defense. Now, it's not meant to replace proper waterproofing, but to reinforce it and reduce long-term failure risk in outdoor scenarios. Okay, last tip. This one is a super simple one. Make sure your NVR time is synced properly. Wrong timestamps can become a huge headache when reviewing footage or exporting evidence later. I know, it sounds so simple, but it's one of those little things that can lead to frustration down the road. Future-proofing your installs really comes down to thinking ahead. Use scalable systems, leave room for growth, use quality equipment, and make installs easier to service in the future. Doing those things now can save you and your customers a lot of time, money, and effort later on. Is there anything I missed? Comment down below. What is one thing you do to future-proof your installs? As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.